Hello everyone, welcome back to Acme channel. This is Show-Cheryl with the introduction of the most effective fiber laser pipe cutting machine, LT6025ES. 济南 Acme CNC Equipment Co. Limited is one of the earliest manufacturers in China to research, develop, and produce fiber laser pipe cutting machines. We have carried out 7 technological innovations in the past 6 years. And now this is our 8th generation, which is also the most advanced equipment on global market. Let's check it out. This is our Ritos fiber laser cutting head, BM111. The anti-crash function, high precision resistance, auto-tracking system can protect lens from damage, also ensure a good quality and a longer working life. Also, we can provide the Germany price tag at the same time. The 4-stroke pneumatic torque is independently and professionally developed by our company. Compared with the design of the set of rollers on the market, it can provide double guaranteed accurate and clamping. With an 8-cylinder structure, the clamping force is twice that of the ordinary chocks. It can effectively clamp various shapes of profiles, such as square, round, rectangular, oval, flat, oval tube, channel steel, H-steel, angle arrow, triangle tube, etc. The lengthened design of the rear chock allows the front chock to achieve small tail cutting with 2 chocks, 10 to 30 millimeters. The chocks can be chosen from 120 millimeters, 170 millimeters, 250 millimeters, and 350 millimeters. This design is to meet the requirements of most sub-industries such as the construction industry, fitness industry, elevator industry, and production industry. And now, this is our 6-meter machine bed. We can also provide 9 meters, 12 meters, and other customer size. And at the same time, here is our 3-meter receiving table. Also, we can provide the 6 meters one, which can better support the pipe cutting. Okay, and now follow me. Let's check the other side. As we can see, here is our 2000 watt Maxphonics laser source. You can also choose from 1000 watt to 15,000 watts, according to your actual cutting need. 100,000 working hours and the lower energy consumption all make your cutting process much more economical. Also, the LPG, Rickers, and light can be chosen at the same time. And this one is our Tongfei chiller. Cool down the laser source and the laser head. And this is our integrated control cabinet. As you can see, you can find everything inside. The SafeCut 5000 is a CAD bus cutting system can detect and offset tube center error in production to guarantee high precision through hose cutting. With the Panasonic EtherCAD bus motor and drive, the equipment moves faster and more accurately, and responds more quickly. The bus system has better scalability, which can support servo floating feeding and automatic feeding.